Hi, Assalamualaikum, with me again teacher Aisyah. So today we are going to practice activity which is a children able to buy during the farewell with the teachers and friends by mentioning or address their name. So how they are going to do? Just in one situation, for example, is a farewell. So in that, during going home, the children needs to buy by mention towards directly who are they are going to buy. For example, buy teacher and buy Alif. That's all. Alright, so there's a reason why we need to practice this at home. The first one is to teach our children to buy directly to the person, which is they know who are they going to buy. Okay, next one is to can improve the communication skill. Di mana mereka can improve how they are going to do two-way communication, which is by with their friends. And last one is to improve social skill, di mana they are going to bind ataupun going to together with their friends by doing the by waving by, and this is going to strengthen their punya relationship. Okay, this activity very suitable for 2 years old and above. So parents can try this at home and practicing during any event. So good luck. Bye.